Hi everyone, welcome to Growing Spaces. Today we're going to go on a tour of our 18-foot growing dome greenhouse kit. Here we have our 18-foot growing dome. This growing dome is 2 frequency, and it also features the 1 standard door as well as the 7 features that come with all of our greenhouse kits. This dome does come with 3 venting windows, 2 lower and 1 upper, and you do have the option of adding an additional upper vent for some extra ventilation, or you can add active ventilation in the form of fans. We have electric and solar options. You can also add a water feature and a desert cooling package, which comes with a fan and a misting system. Let's head on inside. This greenhouse has approximately 250 square feet to work with and is 10 feet 8 inches high at the center. As you can see, we've opted for a pretty unique raised bed design in this dome with a keyhole feature that allows us plenty of growing space, but also the ability to work and move around easily. You can opt for solely perimeter beds, you can do container gardening, or you can even do hydroponics, which is what we have over here on the east side of the dome. You're not limited to just soil. You may be wondering what this shiny material is on the north wall here above our pond, and this is our north wall insulation. It's reflective for a very important reason. In the summertime, when the sun is high on the horizon, it actually helps to reflect some of the sun's rays away from your greenhouse and provide your pond a little bit of shade, keeping your greenhouse cooler. And in the wintertime, when the sun is lower on the horizon, it helps reflect those sun's rays back into your greenhouse, helping it stay warmer. Thank you so much for coming on a virtual tour with us today. We do offer DIY and professional installation options for all of our growing dome greenhouse sizes, so you can pick what would work best for you based upon your budget and your construction experience. If you'd like to see a growing dome in person, we do have all 6 sizes available for tour at our Pagosa Springs facility, as well as a 26-foot growing dome up in Golden, Colorado. And we also have growing domes in all 50 states and 14 countries around the world, so we can find somebody that's local to you for you to go and see their space. I will have a form linked in the description box down below so that you can schedule your tour with us, and you can also always call us at 1-800-753-9333. If you are ready to buy, we would love to get you connected with a Growing Dome advisor. And again, I will have a contact form, and you can also just give us a call. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.